guys, welcome back. I noticed there's a few more of you in the family now, so a big welcome. This week we're taking you to Mount Maunganui on the east coast of Auckland, and we absolutely loved it here, so I hope you like it just as much. It's actually my first time staying in a self-contained service apartment, so let's go check in first. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna crash here in Mount Maunganui tonight. It's quite spacious. Hey, there's washing machine and dryer too. Like a boss. We woke up to this beautiful day and just had to go out for a walk on the main beach, and surprisingly at 8 o'clock in the morning there's already a lot of people out there walking their dog, running, swimming, kids playing. It's a very vibrant community. What's that? That's a birdie, isn't it? Look, she found a shell and she's trying to put it in the bag. Where did you put Mummy's shell? Is it here? Annabelle, which animal do you think that island looks like? Do you think it looks like a mouse? No? Does it look like a turtle? No? This is the beautiful Mount Maunganui. You're a bit tired, are you? So we went back to the apartment and took a nap. So Kyra woke up ready to party as always, and she's been very inquisitive. So luckily we woke up to a new apartment, a new environment where there's a lot of things for Kyra to go through. So our apartment became her new playground. Haven't seen coasters before, hey? How many birdies are there? Birdie? Hey, what's in there? What you doing? What did you find? Hello, Papa. That's our shuttle. This is you. This is Mommy. We pretty much found the next place we want to live in. You want to do that too when you grow up? What I love about this place is on the main road, I think it's called Maunganui Road, there's trendy restaurants and bars. So basically you can never get sick of this lifestyle. Like if you want modern homes, there's modern homes everywhere. If you want mountain, there's a big mountain. If you're a beach person, everyone here is pretty much in the water. If you want that city lifestyle, you have that as well. The next morning we walked across to Leisure Island, also known as Moturiki Island. It's amazing how you can walk across like to another island, and it's only 200 meters away. I've never come across anything like that, but it's quite awesome because we packed our lunch and had a really nice relaxing day picnicking by the water. It's gonna be a hot day, so we got a hat on, we got some sunscreen on. Ready? Isn't this amazing? Love these beachside shots. Let's take a walk and go to Moturiki Island. This is an easy walk, about 200 meters. You can get onto another island. Hey! Oh, this is worth mentioning. It's always my top tip to try and avoid the midday sun. Not only it's brutal in the southern hemisphere, especially if you're traveling with kids, but a lot of the tourists actually come out and play around this time. So because of the crowd and the position of the sun, photos and videos don't turn out to be amazing either. So if you can, might as well go back to your hotel and take a nap. That way you can break the day into two and really recharge and have more energy to enjoy the rest of the evening. Oh, catching this sunset, so beautiful. Wow, look at this beach. Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? Wow. What are you saying, honey?